Raroira mixed crew were elated after charging home to victory in the 250-metre mixed final at Lake Puketirini in Huntly.
Serious. It's hard to get in the final. It's a big deal for our Raroira crew, and to win it, it's like, oh, damn, it's like, man, you know.
Regionals.
And there's our little one. We've got another one here.
Yeah.
She's Hapu, and we're gonna name that one Waka. Yeah, Waka Wānanga. There's another good name.
Since the inception of Waka Wānanga program 7 years ago, more than 2,000 tauira have graduated. Founder of the Waka Wānanga programs at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, Hoturo Kerr, says gaining confidence on the water often leads to renewed confidence in the classroom.
What it is for a lot of people, it's a fun pathway into learning, and then from there it suddenly opens up all these other doors to what kind of higher education there is for them. You know, so if they start looking at, for a lot of them, maybe getting into Te Reo Māori, for a lot of them even pursuing the next levels right up to level 7, so that they're going to start thinking what kind of mahi is available for me to actually get a degree and all those types of things.
Te Taiurengi Jim Mather believes Waka Wānanga is a springboard for tauira to further their education goals.
Waka Wānanga requires a lot of discipline, a lot of teamwork and a lot of dedication, and it creates opportunities to be successful and to feel much better about oneself, and I think all of those things, you know, encourage our tauira in this area to go on to other educational pathways with Te Wānanga o Aotearoa.
There are plans to expand the provision of Waka Wānanga in other regions in 2016.
We're looking currently at 2,400 students have graduated from this program since 2009. So we're just seeing a huge growth, and with next year, 2016, with the investment in a plan, not quite confirmed, but we're looking at an increase from a possible 6 cohorts to 8.
In the meantime, it's kotahitanga and fun forged on the waters of Lake Puketirini that these tauira will cherish for many years to come. Te Anga Nathan, Te Wānanga o Aotearoa.